My name is Nicole with So Much and works like a charm. Next, you'll load your mat and press the Cricut button and let your machine do the cutting. Now, if you don't have a Cricut machine, not to worry. You can always print out your favorite font from your computer and trace this onto the fabric that's already fused. Remove your cut fabric from the fabric grip mat. Now, if you have some places that are stuck, you can use a pair of scissors or snips to take care of that. In order to add a fusible interfacing to this piece, you're going to use a product called Misty Fuse. I just love this product. It has multiple uses. You'll take a piece of parchment paper and lay down your Misty Fuse. Lay out your cut fabric on top of the Misty Fuse and cover everything with another piece of parchment paper. Using a hot iron, press this combination to fuse the webbing to your cut applique piece, and then peel back the parchment paper and remove your fused fabric from the parchment paper. You'll have some residual interfacing that just needs to be removed. Next, lay out your cut fabric on the exterior canvas piece. Make sure you leave enough room on the sides for your seam allowance. Once you have that just where you want it, cover with a bit of parchment paper and press to fuse it in place. Now take your remaining accent fabric and measure approximately 3 inches from the right side. Secure these with sewing pins. Before we head back to the sewing machine, we're going to make our zipper tabs. Take your zipper tab fabric and fold it in half, wrong sides together. Then open that up and fold each end towards the middle and press again. To learn more about making zipper tabs and the anatomy of a zipper, head over to my website for all the resources. This technique is just a handy and quick way to make a zipper tab. We're just going to sew this accent piece to the exterior of the zipper pouch. We'll press that in place and trim away the excess. Add some top stitching to secure this accent piece right into place. Now I'm switching to my Juki TL 2010Q. I'm switching out my foot to a free motion foot. I'm going to use this free motion stitching to attach the applique letter to the exterior of this pouch. Now if you don't have a free motion foot, you can simply use your regular presser foot. I just find it easier to maneuver around curves with a free motion foot. I switched out my free motion foot to my regular presser foot, and now I'm going to be sewing down my personalized tag. In my article, I linked to the online shop where you can get custom-made tags like this. They're super simple to order and really add a nice touch to your projects. And now it's time to assemble the zipper pouch. This is a pretty straightforward process. You'll place your exterior applique piece right side up and sandwich your zipper in between the exterior and interior fabrics. Make sure your zipper head is facing the right side of the exterior fabric. Now I'm going to be switching out my presser foot. Now this machine is an industrial machine. It does not require you to use an industrial machine to make a zipper pouch, but I have one and I love using my industrial machine for any kind of bag that I make. Press the sides away from the zipper and back at the sewing machine, top stitch about 1/8 inch away from your zipper tape. Follow the same steps on the back side of the zipper pouch. Make sure that your zipper is open. This is super important. Secure the exterior and interior pieces together, right sides together. Secure these with clips. Sew along the entire perimeter of the project, but leave a 3 to 4 inch opening on the middle of the interior fabric side. It's a good idea to clip off those corners to avoid too much bulk. Now you can flip your project right side out. If you're having troubles getting those corners to come out, go ahead and use a tool to help you along the way. All you have left to do is sew that opening closed. Thank you so much for watching. If you loved watching this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you want more DIY, go to the link in the description and sign up for my newsletter. Each week I send inspiration directly to your inbox. For more tutorials, head over to my website and Facebook group, where there is always so much more in store.